So do you also want to add the Razorpay payment details into Google Sheets? Then give me 10 minutes and I'll show you how to do this. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Connect, and in this video we are going to understand how to log payment details from Razorpay to Google Sheets for financial tracking. So like you, I also use Razorpay to sell my products online, and now what I want is that as soon as a new payment is captured in my Razorpay, I want to add the payment details into my Google Sheets. So to do this, we are simply going to create a connection between Razorpay and Google Sheets, and we are going to create this connection without knowing any programming or coding language using an amazing automation software which is Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video I'll show you how to automatically log payment details from Razorpay into Google Sheets. It is perfect for real-time financial tracking and simplified recording. So I've already created this automation, and first I'm just going to show you the proper working of this automation. So as you can see that I've simply entered all of these details, and now I'm just going to purchase this serum right from here. So I'm just going to simply click on this pay for 99 right over here, and once I'm just going to click on this, it is asking me to select the payment method. So I'm just going to select it as UPI, and I'm just going to simply enter my UPI ID and click on this verify and pay. And noticing open your Razorpay app and complete the payment. So I'm simply going to complete the payment from my phone, and noticing confirming payment. So I'm just going to wait for a few seconds, and as you can see, payment successful. So with this, we have successfully purchased this product as smart user. And now after completing this, I'm just going to open my spreadsheet, and we're going to see that automatically the details have been added. Be it the name, phone number, email address, or the street address or the pin code. Automatically the details of the new purchase have been added right over here into my spreadsheet. So yes, this is no magic. This is the power of automation which we're going to create in today's video. And if you also want to create this amazing automation, then for that you have to watch this tutorial till the end. So to do this, I'm just going to open a new tab, and I'm just going to look for the landing page of Pabbly Connect simply by searching pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this is the amazing automation software using which we're going to create a connection between Razorpay and Google Sheets. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to show you something really helpful before creating this automation. So I'm just going to open it, and over here is Pabbly Community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share your workflows, and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges like you. It's an active and a supportive space to learn and grow together. The link to join this is in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. Alright, so I'm just going to open my Pabbly Connect's landing page once again in order to create this connection. We're going to see we are going to get two options. One is sign in, and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on this sign up for free, and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore the application. But over here, I am an existing user, so I'm simply going to click on this button which says sign in. And now it is opening all Pabbly apps, and over here going to see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are going to use Pabbly Connect because we are connecting different applications. So I'm simply going to click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Connect's account. And once I'm just going to click on this access now, it is going to open the dashboard of my Pabbly Connect's account. And to get started, I'm simply going to click on this button which says create workflow. And now it is asking me to select the flow builder. So over here we have two options, the new one and the classic one. So the new one is more modern, faster and more flexible, and the classic one is more stable and a familiar approach. So you can use any one of this. I'm just going to use this new one. So I'm just going to go towards this select right over here, and now it is asking me for the workflow name and the folder I want to save the workflow in. So over here on my dashboard, you can see multiple folders which I've already created and which I save my workflows. So if you also want to create a new folder, you can go towards this plus sign right over here in order to create your own. I've already created many, so I'm just going to save my workflow in one of these only, which is automations. And now I'm just going to name my workflow as log payment details from Razorpay to Google Sheets for financial tracking. And then I'm just going to simply click on this button which says create. And once I'm just going to click on this create, it is going to open the most important window of our automation, which is our workflow window. So this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means is do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run, and we can have only a single trigger with multiple actions. So yes, over here is my trigger, but you must be wondering where is the action. So I'm just going to show you the action after we set up the trigger. Alright, so I'm just going to simply click on this plus icon to set up the trigger. Further, I'm just going to select my trigger application, which is Razorpay. So I'm just going to search for Razorpay and select it. And now for the trigger event, I'm just going to simply select it as payment captured. And now I'm just going to click on this connect. And now it is giving me a webhook URL using which we're going to create a connection between Razorpay and our Pabbly Connect's workflow. So I'm simply going to copy this webhook URL. Then I'm just going to open my Razorpay dashboard. And from here, we have to go towards this left side of the bar towards this developers. And then we have to go towards this webhooks. And after coming over here towards this webhooks, we have to go towards this add new webhook. And now it is asking me for the webhook URL. So we are simply going to paste the URL which we copied from my workflow. For the secret, if you wish, you can definitely enter the secret, but this is not required. So I'm just going to leave it as blank. It is saying alert email. So if you wish, you can definitely enter the alert email too. Now it is asking me for the active events. So as you can see in the help text, it has clearly mentioned that for the active event, we have to select it as payment captured. So I'm simply going to select payment captured right over here and click on this create webhook. And once I'm just going to click on this create webhook, it is saying webhook saved successfully. So with this, we have successfully saved this webhook. So now I'm just going to open my payment pages and we're going to do the test submission. So I want to create this automation only for this organic glow serum. So I'm just going to copy this and I'm just going to open this in a new tab in order to purchase this and do the test submission. Alright, so what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to fill in all of these details. First name as test, last name user, the email, phone, address and the pin code. And after filling in all of these details, what I'm just going to do is I'm simply going to click on this button which says pay 499. And once I'm just going to click on this pay 499, I'm just going to select my UPI ID. I'm just going to enter the UPI ID right over here and click on this verify and pay. And now I'm just going to wait for a few seconds till my payment is getting confirmed right over here. And once the payment gets confirmed, automatically the payment details will be captured right over here in my workflow. And now you can see payment successful. So now I'm just going to open my workflow and check that if the details have been captured right over here by Pabbly Connect. And as you can see that Pabbly has successfully captured the details. Over you're going to see the same phone number which we entered, the same pin code, or we're going to see the same name, the same email and the same address. So yes, you can see that with this we have successfully completed our trigger step. And now I'm just going to move on towards my action step. But before adding these details into my Google Sheets, I have clearly mentioned that I want to set up this automation only for a particular payment page, which is this organic glow serum. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to add a filter condition right over here in my workflow. Further, I'm just going to click on this add new action step and I'm just going to search for filter. So filter is a feature by Pabbly which helps you to add conditions in your workflow. Alright, now for the app event, I'm just going to simply select it as filter values and click on this connect. I'm just going to choose the label as amount right over here. So I'm just going to add the filter condition using this amount because I have multiple payment pages with different amount and the amount for this is 499.00. I want that whenever a new payment is made for 499.00, then only this workflow should move on further. So that's the reason that I'm just going to set up the filter for this amount. Alright, but you can see the amount was 499.00, but why is it showing me 499 and 00? So while capturing the response, it eliminates the decimal value. So no worries, I'm just going to select the same amount right over here. I'm just going to keep it as filter types equals to, and I'm just going to enter the value the same. Alright, and now I'm just going to click on this save and send test request. So now if the product is purchased of 499.00, then only this workflow is going to move on further. Alright, now I'm just going to add these details into my Google Sheets. Further, I'm just going to add another action step. And now for the action application, I'm simply going to select it as Google Sheets. And now for the action event, I'm simply going to select it as add new row and click on this connect. Now in order to connect this Google Sheet, you have to go towards this add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Pabbly is going to ask you to select your Gmail account with the help of which you want to connect your Google Sheets. And once you select the Gmail account, Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So you can give all the permissions to Pabbly because your data is secure with Pabbly. And once you give the permissions, your Google Sheets account will be connected. I've already connected my Google Sheets account, so I'm just going to go towards this select existing connection and then save. And once I'm just going to do this, it is saying connected. Now it is asking me to select the spreadsheet. So as you can see, the name of my spreadsheet is Razorpay Payment Tracking. So I'm just going to select the same, which is Razorpay Payment Tracking. Then I'm just going to select the same sheet and one by one I'm just going to enter all of these details. But I'm going to map all of these details. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And as as you know, our previous step was the trigger and the action step. We've selected Razorpay and filter as our applications. So we are simply going to map the details from the response of our previous step only. And as soon as we are just going to map these details, automatically my details will turn dynamic and change with every new response received. So first I'm just going to map this name right over here, which is test user. Then I'm just going to map this phone number right over here, which is this. Now I'm just going to move on further. I'm just going to map the email right over here. Now I'm just going to move on further. After mapping this email address, I'm just going to map the address. Alright, so I'm just going to look for address and I'm just going to map it. Now I'm just going to map the pin code. So I'm just going to look for pin code and map it. And after mapping all of these details, what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to simply click on this save and send test request. And once we click on this, yes, you can see that we have received the positive response that we've successfully added these details into our Google Sheets. So I'm simply going to open my Google Sheets right from here, and as you can see, the details have been added right over here. You're going to see the same name, phone, email, address and the pin code which we entered right over here during our test submission. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow, and like I showed you in the starting of this video, what is going to happen is that now whenever we're going to receive a new payment from Razorpay, and if the payment is of organic glow serum, then this workflow is going to get triggered and further the details will be added right over here in my spreadsheet. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. All of this is going to happen in backend and we can just sit back and relax. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. So now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.